Hello, this is Chiha, and I'm currently based in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Today's date is December 13, 2024, and this is Project MGRSTransform. This R package was submitted as the final project for Course CSCIE 5A at Harvard Extension School, and I created this package to solve a very specific problem for my job. My research project currently requires analyzing topographic maps of Vietnam during the Vietnam War, and then visualize the coordinates onto current GIS platform, Google Maps, Google Earth, for example. And in this package, there's three main functions. The first one is convert MGRS to lat long. This function served to convert military grid reference system coordinates of Indian datum 1960, which is usually used by the U.S. military during the Vietnam War on topographic maps of Vietnam. This function convert MGRS coordinate into latitude and longitude of currently widely used datum, which is WGS 84. If this is an example that I run of this function, input MGRS coordinates 48QYD 3106, and it produces the latitude and longitude for this MGRS coordinate. And the second function is lookup grid zone. A lot of the time we look at historical documents and we only find the grid square like YD here, but there's no grid zone, so we'd have to look up the grid zones for these to be able to convert into latitude and longitude. So this function specifically, if I look up the grid zone for grid square YD, the result is gonna return 48Q, which is correct, as you can see on this valid MGRS coordinate up here. And the third function is visualize MGRS. For this one, you would need the MGRS coordinates, of course, but also a GeoTIFF file as raster layer for the map. For example, this is map sheet 64414 in series L7014, which was produced by the U.S. Army during the Vietnam War, and this is the file path on my local PC. But if you run this function, it's gonna produce a ggplot map like this with the GeoTIFF file as the raster layer, and then the coordinate as the red dot on the map. So to use this function, I've created this package. It depends on a lot of other packages and libraries such as SFSP, ggplot2, MGRS, and raster, and all of these are required to be able to run this to run the MGRS transform packages successfully.